the new video. So in this video we are learning how we can create our very first program called Hello World. We are printing the Hello World using Node.js. So for this tutorial I am using that Visual Studio Code for the code editor. So if you want to download, then you can visit that code.visualstudio.com and you can download. Directly click on this download button and you can install this. So I already installed. So if I open this, so first I create a one folder. Inside that I create simple file index.js and you can do that console.log hello world. If I save this, I go to this here, control cd, can directly use that node as that file name. And you can see that we are simply create our very first program, Hello World. Okay, so this is that basic program. We can run this JavaScript program using that node. So we already installed the node using node download and then npm also. So now we are creating from the scratch that how we can create the package.json. So I will first clear this, and there is a command we can use, that npm init initialize. If I click on enter, so it will ask some of that things, package name. So I make as it is Hello World. It is asking for the version of that package. You can, if you want, you can type description, first program, enter. Entry point is index.js. If you want, you can update your entry point, or after the creating also you can update. Next, test command. If you want any test command, then you can add test command, but no need to worry, we can update everything once that package JSON is generated. So I simply make next. Okay, press. And yeah, here you can see we are using type common.js. So there are two way we can use common.js, and if you want then type module also we can use. We can discuss these things in upcoming video. So because simply I'm using that common.js only. Then it is asking it is okay. Just type yes, enter. And yeah, let me clear this. So if I go to that editor, you can see package.json is created. Here everything which we are mentioned, you are able to see version, description, license, author. If we add the author, it is showing that author also, common.js, index.js. So now we are running that same program using that script. So just update the script. Whatever we are doing in that command line, we are adding here node index.js. If I save this, now I just do that npm and that script name is start. So I just use npm start and it will give that same output. You can see here hello world. So this is that basic program. Okay, so this way we can generate the package.json from the scratch, and we can install that module using that npm install. So those things we are learn in the upcoming video, but this is that basic program. You can do that simply console.log hello world, and you can run this script using npm start. And if you directly want to run, you can directly use this also. But when we are creating the big project, this is very useful, the script part. So you can discuss in the detail in upcoming video when we install that new module. Then there is a dependency, dev dependency, everything we can discuss in upcoming video. So in depth of package.json. So for this video, we are creating this much only. If you have any doubts or if you're facing any issue, please write down in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to for upcoming video. Please press the bell icon so you will get that notified of our latest video. Thank you for watching.